welcome to my first tutorial of ChatGPT plugins, or second one technically. I want to introduce you to the Chat with Video plugin. It's an awesome plugin that basically allows you to chat with a video. It gives you the transcript like this, and then you can essentially follow up with it. It's very similar to VoxScript, but I think this is a bit more specific with following up with actual videos. So let's get into actually how we can actually use it. Number one, you need a ChatGPT Plus account. So it's around, let me just show you. ChatGPT Plus accounts are around $20 a month. They're 100% worth the bang for your buck, so I'll definitely get one. Next step is to essentially get a YouTube link such as this one, which is essentially going over the properties of GPT-5, and you can essentially summarize the details of that video right here. So it'll collect all the details and you can summarize it. It will summarize it like this. And then what you can actually do is it saves a lot of the data right here in its memory, so you can actually follow up with it and make a script like this. So let's ask it to make an actual script now. So let's go ahead and ask the plugin to make a script. So as you can see, it's made the script now. I think it's a pretty decent script. You would definitely want to expand on each aspect. So what you can do is essentially ask ChatGPT to further expand on certain aspects of the script. For example, all of you lifelong learners, OpenAI is launching an OpenAI Academy. I will ask it to expand on this, and it will further expand on the script. Now what you can do is you can actually feed this script to something like 11 Labs and essentially use it to make a faceless YouTube channel. It's awesome. So I'll show you that bit right now. So we have the script. This is the prompt right here. Once you have the script ready, what you can do is you can go 11 Labs like this, and you can start turning this into a YouTube script. So let's do that bit right now. Awesome. So once you have this in 11 Labs accounts is very cheap. It's like $5 a month. I would basically put it right here, and what you can do is you press generate, and once you go on your history, you will see all your voices, and this is what it usually sounds like.
Alright, let's start by creating This is a simple process, but it's crucial for our strategy. First, head over to YouTube. Click on your profile picture at the top.
As you can see, it's made a full-on script just based on the script that I gave it. It's made a full-on voiceover based on the script I gave it. And what you can see here is that you can actually choose from multiple voices, including your own one. So I love 11 Labs for that reason, and it will help you create basically a faceless YouTube channel. I would also suggest using Capwing on top of this, which I've promoted on another video of mine. It's a very useful video editing software that I will definitely recommend. So now you have the video and now you have your script. What you can do is you can use VoxScript to essentially create basically any video you can imagine. Basically put in the voiceover right here like this, and you can press transcript, and what you can do is there's an option somewhere here which automatically allows you to essentially create a transcript automatically by pressing generate transcript. And what you can actually do is if you go in effects, you can choose the effects of the transcript, timing, the size, and you can remove or clean the audio. It's very awesome. There's also a feature here which allows you to automatically add smart cuts to your videos. Awesome.